Shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington. The music is loud today. Let's see how well we can cover it. Okay, look at what I'm seeing here. Yeah, interesting prints, animal prints, good bodysuit. They are coming out. Yeah, hot season is around the corner. This is new in the store and this is available in different sizes, and this one is just $8.99. It's a good deal. And here we have this snake print. Look, snake print. Okay, and this one, the cup is well padded. Look, it came with stripes as well. For $9.99 is available in different sizes. And here we have this black and white, $9.99. And this polka dot one, $9.99. This is a very good two-piece for $12.99. Yeah, and here, this is by H&M. I saw it the last time I was here for $3.99, okay? It's a good deal, if you ask me. And I'm looking at this two-piece set. Look, this looks good, extra large. And this one is $19.99. Okay, let me take you at the front. Let's see what they have there. Here we have this two-piece set. I'm still on a hunt for a very good two-piece set. I'm loving this neutral shade. This one is $24.99. And beside is the spaghetti long dress with this rouge at the front. The bag is absolutely open. And this is, summer friendly for $9.99. Perfect for vacation. It's available in different sizes. This is available in different sizes as well. They have something similar, two-piece set. Look what we got here. This looks, I don't know. My problem with Burlington two-piece set, you hardly catch them lined, especially the pant. This one, the top is even, they managed to line it, and this will definitely look good. But the down the bottom, they don't put any lining at all. Yeah, not even half of it. And this one came with two deep pockets. Very good. Let me see if I see this in my exercise size. I may go for it. It's in color black and it's sleeveless. This one is $24.99. It's priced together. Okay, I may come for this. Yeah, I love how flowy it is. And let me see. The quality is not the best. Yeah. However, I love the style. It's available in different sizes. In case you are interested, come to Burlington. This is new in the store. I'm sure you are likely to meet this. Go to any Burlington near you. Okay. And here we have another set beside. This is baby blue. Interesting set. All right, and this one is priced together as well for $24.99. What we got here. Okay, and let's see. This is a tube dress. Look what we got here. Is it tube dress? Yeah, it's actually a dress, and this one is just $9.99. That's a good deal. Okay, that's a good deal. Yeah, look at that. Interesting. Here we have this clean white top for $9.99. Okay, if you're interested to see the type of handbag they have in the store, shoes, keep watching, don't go away. Yeah, to handbag section, let's see what I am looking at now. This is by Steve Madden, and this one is $32.99. This feels so heavy. The quality, the hardware is interesting. This was $88 and you get it for $32.99. It's a good deal, okay? And here we have this pocket bag. This is by Anna Klein for $24.99. This is by Nine West. Nine West for $19.99. Alright, let me show you this interesting crossbody bag by Meddingale for $19.99. And this one by JC Culture. Look what we got here. Well structured. This was $99. Today you get it for $29.99. We have this big backpack by Guess. And this one is $44.99. I just saw something behind. Look what I saw. This clean tote bag. This is by Nine West. And this one is $29.99. And also another tote bag by Nine West behind. This structure is different for $20. Alright, this is what I'm looking at. Look. Yeah, Anna Klein. This one is $26.99. Insane. So good. I love that. Here we have this crossbody by Guess. And this one is $32.99. More bags here. Here, this one is by Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah. From here, we will go to shoe section. If you're interested, keep watching, don't go away. I don't know what happened. I can't see the price. This was $108 and I'm sure it's going to be, a good deal as well. And here we have this one by Anna Klein for $29.99. This is a mixture of straw and leather. Interesting. And on this side, they have lots of colorful, floral, interesting prints on this backpack with pom-poms. Most of them have the pom-poms. They are good. This is $19.99. This one is $21.99. This is bigger, with that butterfly prints on them. This is it on it. This one is $24.99. And here, this got my attention. I love the structure. I love the color as well. Yeah, this one is $24.99. Yeah, vegan leather. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay, to shoe section, let's see what they have here. I'm on a hunt for a very good look at this one. Yeah, if you are all about this trend, this is available in the store. This is by Macy Jessica Simpson. I saw this last month. I was in the store. It's back in the stock. All right, this one is $34.99. If you are all about that trend, yeah, it's available in the store. And here is this. This is another one. Ooh, I love this. This is $36.99. Interesting. Okay, let's see if we can grab new shoes in the store. Okay, this is mesh for $14.99. This is new in the store. Let's see. This is in size 8.5. It's by Nine West, and this one is $21.99. And here we have these flats for $26.99. Clocks. Yeah, and here we have these wedge sandals by Zozo. Look what we got here. This is $21.99. Alright, and here is the flats. They are new in the store for $13.99. They are available in different sizes. Here, this one is $13.99. Available in different sizes. Okay, and here, this one is $18.99. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. All I need is a thumbs up. I just set my eyes on these sneakers. Look at this. This is by Levi's for $24.99, and I saw this. Look at this. Right? It's a good lace-up sneakers for $39.99. I love that. And here we are looking at this flat by Night West, and this one is, let's see, the price for this is $19.99, and we have this lavender one for $17.99. Okay, classic white sneakers. If you are all about this, if you don't have it and you love this trend, come to Burlington. $24.99. They got you covered. Here we have these flats. Yeah, hot season is around the corner. So look at this. I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for your time. And until next time, bye for now.